power line.
Yeah.
We've lost power.
We've lost power.
There's no power. The lights have gone off.
Right, let's try.
Can you see if you can do a reboot for me on that system?
Yeah, I can give it a go. Do you know what I'm doing? Is it this the big button here, or
it's Protocol 7.
Pardon?
Protocol 7.
Protocol 7. Oh, Protocol 7. Okay.
I'm just going to do a rewire, guys. Stay very, very still and very calm for us. Do not worry. You're in very, very safe hands.
Okay, control aren't responding.
They're not responding. Okay, ready to go through to Alison.
Alison, I know you're very busy, Alison, but could you just no. Okay, fine. There's a code here. There's a code here. I'm going to press this button and then try 2, 4, 6, 7.
Okay, go ahead.
2, 4, 6, 7.
2, 4, yeah, there we go. Perfect. Okay, come on, do it, ladies. Come on, do it. Let's go. Move, guys. Keep on coming. Get on in to a safe area.
We're so sorry about this.
Get on through.